Hi, I am Megan Hawks. I am from Elmwood, Nebraska. I graduated from Elmwood Murdoch High School. I have one brother named Austin, an English Springer dog named Drake, a calico cat named Olivia. I like to spend my free time in the outdoors, hiking, fishing, and kayaking. My favorite place to go during the summer is to my local Cass County Fair. I am a Nebraska Cornhusker fan for all sports. Golf is my favorite sport to play. I played it through all 4 years of high school. I'm currently a senior at the University of Nebraska-Kearney, majoring in health and physical education pre-K through 12 with a coaching endorsement. What I'm looking forward to most about teaching is helping the kids grow and learn.